The hurricane hit on a Saturday. So by about Tuesday, you started to hear this is going to be pretty bad.
We are coming on the air for breaking news. Hurricane Harvey barreling into the Texas coastline as a Category 4 storm with 130-mile-an-hour winds.
My name is Jean Irwin, and I'm the Regional HR Director for the Texas operations, specifically Houston and Beaumont. So we were worried about how do we communicate with our employees? How do we get message to them? How do we know if they're okay? So on Sunday, I had started texting employees to say, are you okay? Do you need help? What's going on? Mainly, we just want to know if employees were okay and did they need anything.
And as Harvey's destruction,
the catastrophic flood,
record flood,
dangerous rain.
This rain just will not stop,
consuming homes, cars, even entire highways.
And then a flood of information started coming back in of, I'm okay, my family's okay, I don't have power, I've been rescued by a boat, I have 12 inches of water in my house, I have 3 feet of water in my house, I'm in a shelter, and those type of messages started coming in.
My name is Reginald Green. I work in tool and die. I guess it started that Friday. I want to say Friday, when the streets flooded. Not all the way, but the streets was flooded. Saturday, they finally hit about halfway in the driveway. Sunday, it covered up the front lawn. But you got to understand where I live is a lake behind my house. And the lake got filled up. So now the water is coming through my fence. So it started then Monday, coming through the back door. By that Monday evening, it started coming through the front door. So now we getting hit both ways. So now we headed to the shelter. Got situated in there. It's a nice, clean shelter. In our group, it was 6. Yeah, about 6 people. My daughter called me because we trying to maneuver how to get to her house. And I told my wife if I had to pack you on my back, we walked, because she's about 10 minutes, we about 10, 15 minutes from our house, maybe less. But it's still a lot of water. And I told her if I had to pack her on my back, I would.
They had so many streets and roads that were closed for the flooding, so people couldn't get around. Reggie Green was one of those individuals who sent me a text. He and his wife, they were in a shelter. Their cell phone was running low on power. Could have helped them get a hotel. And so I was able to arrange close to their location, a hotel.
Of course, we were watching the storm approach Texas. We knew that there was going to be significant impact to the facilities, to our employees. So we were being very watchful as the storm approached. After the storm hit that Friday, Saturday in late August, we started getting reports late that weekend, early next week of significant impact to our employees. As that word circulated in Pennsylvania and Ohio to colleagues back north here, a lot of our employees in this area were asking us how they could participate and help their colleagues in Texas. So what we decided to do is create a separate bank account fund where employees could donate money that we collected over a period of time that we ended up distributing to all the impacted employees in the Texas region that were affected by Hurricane Harvey.
One of the great business decisions I think that we made is we agreed to pay all the employees for that week. So all the employees that were missing work for the flood still got a full check, right? So they're not missing money or missing that income for that week. Employees had so many other things on their mind. How am I going to get someone in here? How am I going to clear out all of the mold? What am I going to do now?
We had over 115 folks that had donated money. Some are employees, some were friends of employees who caught word that what we were doing to help our employees. Some were business partners that we do business with. So outstanding response, and very grateful for all the people that did donate.
We sent teams of people to people's houses, and I'm not just talking about for one business unit. So we had employees at multiple business units from here in Houston would go to another employee's house, someone they didn't know, but they would all go. So Richard Allender, the president, all the general managers were going to houses and literally just ripping out drywall and pulling up the carpets so they could help employees.
It's commendable to them and their families and to Ellwood Group and the family of employees that we have to pull together and help as much as they can.
You know, that was a standing moment we say that we want to help employees and we treat employees with dignity and respect. It's not that we just say it, we show it.
So we made it home that Friday. And that's when all the people came, helped us out. Me and my wife, we believe in doing good things, helping other people. We've been believing in that all our life. And it all just came back that day.